She made me feel confident, she made me feel cool. She told me if I'm real with her, she would be too. I think that I love her, no wait, I know I do. I think this the best thing that I'd ever do, that I'd ever do.
So you guys can see, I'm just gonna cut off that little part. Okay, maybe I should have left that. And because there are no clips, and I guess one could add clips if they so chose, but I so not choose, I'm gonna take some bobby pins and secure her. All right. I'm gonna have to do the gel thing over again because I decided to take it off to try those sizzles. The sizzles. So I'm just gonna smooth it back again, get it out the way. Get it out the way. Just gonna keep that part out. Little bang. Little sideburns. Okay. All right, so it's definitely been more than 10 or 15 minutes, but boom. All right, so it's all laid. I'm going to bring this in, let's see. So this is the hair. It's still little like 5% damp, no product in it. So I wanted to, I mean, besides the little bit of mousse I put in the top, but through the length of the strands there's no product, just so you guys can see. And this is synthetic hair, so I feel like even putting stuff in it will have a little bit of an effect, but not so much. It's not like the hair is soaking up the product. Actually, it's more just so sitting on top. She cute or whatever. So the hair is super soft. Even after I washed it though, it still has a bit of a smell to it. And I'm trying, it just smells like synthetic hair still. I'm gonna put it that way. You know, it doesn't stink, but I definitely need some sort of like hair fragrance or something to, I'm gonna use some of this. Just something to kind of just get that smell. But yeah, so this is the hair, no product or little product. Y'all saw what I put in it. You know what I mean. But yeah, it's pretty. What I will say is that I don't feel like this looks like synthetic curly hair. It's a very high quality synthetic hair. It's very soft. As you can see, the curls do get defined with product, but it also has a nice big natural look to it as well. Get a little bit of the frizz, so it looks more realistic. The only thing I'm not crazy about, I would say, is there are no combs and those layers. I think those layers were unnecessary, personally, in my opinion, but it's definitely big head friendly. Like, it is all the way forward. You guys saw I put 2 bobby pins up here and 1 on each side, and it's not slipping back. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pull back or anything like that. It feels secure on my head, like I have enough space, so that's a plus. So yeah, I think I definitely like the way it looked when I had it pulled back in the ponytail with just kind of a little natural, like kind of messy ponytail popping off here. Like, look how cute is that? It's so cute. I love it. I will probably be wearing this for the rest of the week because since I went through the trouble of braiding my hair up and everything, I might as well go ahead and rock this unit. So if I take any more footage or pictures and stuff like that, I will post it on my YouTube stories. I'm trying to do more of those. So I'll post that kind of thing on the YouTube stories so you can see this in a couple different ways and just how it kind of wears throughout the week. I love the unit. It's big head friendly. The hair is very soft. It does not feel or act or really look like synthetic hair, in my opinion. It doesn't have any combs, and what was the other thing? The layers. Those are the 2 cons for me. But other than that, if you can work with that as I have, I found a solution for both things, then I definitely recommend this unit. This hair is lovely. Let me pull it back out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. These layers are bothering me just a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie. Just a little bit. Because I just feel like it goes boom, boom, boom. Like, there's no real... Can you guys see that? It's like boom, boom, boom. There was no real, what's the word I'm looking for? Gradual lengthening. It's just so choppy. Or not so choppy, but it's more choppy than I would like. So I'm gonna kind of just... Even just that little bit, just look at what doing that did. I just cut off this much And that helped tremendously already. Let's see on this side. That's a little better. I can maybe get more into it later, but just on camera, just to kind of fix that chunky choppiness of it. But yeah, all right. All right, I'm gone for real.